Imagine the simple joy of snipping fresh mint or rosemary right from your kitchen windowsill, bringing a touch of New England's natural beauty indoors. It's a delightful way to have homegrown flavor always at your fingertips, a little green oasis in your home. To begin this rewarding journey, we'll focus on the essentials. Just the right amount of light, consistent watering, and good, nourishing soil. Simpler than you might think. Choosing the right pots and soil is the first step in this satisfying project. These terracotta pots, ready for planting, remind us of the careful preparations that lead to a bountiful harvest, much like a garden in the mid-Atlantic. There's a quiet pleasure in working with your hands, feeling the rich potting mix, and nurturing new life. It's a peaceful moment, much like tending a garden in the Pacific Northwest. With each seed or seedling, we plant a little hope, anticipating the vibrant growth to come. This hopeful act, much like the fertile lands of Southern California, promises future harvests and fresh flavors. Many common herbs thrive on a windowsill, offering a wonderful variety to choose from. You might be surprised at how many possibilities there are for your personal touch. The daily ritual of watering and tending to your plants creates a peaceful rhythm, a small act of devotion that brings life and beauty, much like the gentle care given to gardens across the Midwest. And then comes the reward. Picking fresh basil or parsley, ready to enhance your meals. It's a truly satisfying moment, bringing the freshness of the Southwest right to your plate. These small potted herbs, with their varied leaves and fragrances, bring a delightful touch of nature indoors. They offer the simple joy of fresh ingredients always at hand, a little piece of the American Midwest in your kitchen. Notice the subtle differences in each plant, the unique textures and scents. It's a wonderful way to appreciate the small details and the variety nature offers, even in a Pacific Northwest kitchen. The calming ritual of tending to these living things, perhaps in a sunlit room in Southern California, offers a quiet moment of peace in our busy days. It's a gentle connection to the natural world. Starting your own herb garden is truly accessible, and we'll guide you through each simple step. It's a rewarding hobby that anyone can enjoy. The satisfaction of harvesting your own basil or chopping fresh parsley for a meal is unmatched. It's a wonderful way to bring the fresh flavors of a New England garden directly into your daily cooking. Understanding the needs of each herb empowers you to make informed choices, ensuring your little garden thrives. It's about giving them just what they need to flourish. These small touches, like a sprig of rosemary in your tea or a vibrant plant on your windowsill, create a warm and welcoming home. They bring the comfort of the Rocky Mountains right inside. Sometimes your herbs might even surprise you with delicate blooms, like these chive flowers. It's an unexpected beauty, a lovely reward for nurturing your plants, much like a southern USA garden. As sunlight streams through the window, perhaps in an American Midwest kitchen, your herbs stand as a promise of new growth and fresh beginnings. It's a quiet, comforting presence. Bringing these green companions into your home, like this basil plant on a New England windowsill, offers a simple daily joy. What's growing in your garden this year? Share in the comments.